So here we go, number 17. Again, we're asked to find dy dx, so we're going to have to take the derivative. And again, we look at this integral and we say it's not quite right. It doesn't have the constant as the bottom limit of integration, and the x function is not the top limit of integration. So let's do that trick again. Let's rewrite this saying it's going to be the opposite of 0 to root x of sine of r squared dr. And now when we take the derivative of both sides, we take the derivative of the opposite of 0 to root x sine of r squared dr. And then this gives us our dy dx as we'd like. This is a constant multiplier there, so let's pull it out. And now we're taking the derivative of the integral of sine r squared dr from 0 to root x. And now we've got to plug and chug. It's going to be the negative of r, or sine of square root of x squared, and then we're going to have a chain rule here. And I believe the chain rule gives us 1 over 2 root x. I think that's right. Anyway, probably one final cleanup step. Negative sine of, now I suppose I should write x, but really it's absolute x.
Oh, okay.
Well, if you
It has to be.
well, no, the square root
We
is,
assume that it's positive.
no, it's only defined when x is positive anyway. No, we can just leave that as x. If it was the other way around, it'd be absolute x, but it's just x. And I guess we'll put that underneath there. There we go.
That's right.
It looks like the right answer?
Yeah.
Okay. So they're always doing that, though. There's always, you know, you get through the calculus part, and then it's like, oh, let me throw some nasty algebra at you.
Wait, the chain rule, would it be 1 over 2 root x times to the negative 1 1/2 power? Because you're taking the 1/2 down, and then you have to subtract 1 from the...
Okay, let me see if I can go through this, make sure I didn't make a mistake. And that is, this is x to the 1/2. So I bring the power down,
Right.
and I reduce the power by 1.
Yeah, there. Okay, that's what I was saying.
Okay, and so there's the 2 that's in the bottom, and this is a negative exponent. So
Oh, you
it's
use
in the
the
bu-
negative exponent.
and it's a square root.
Okay.
So yeah, I think I got it right.
Okay.
All right, very good.